One stormy afternoon, Ethan found an old pair of yellow rain boots in the attic. "Try them on," his grandpa said with a wink. As soon as Ethan slipped them on, zap! He felt a tingle in his tiny toes. He stepped outside into the garden and splash! Instead of sinking into puddles, he bounced. Whoa! He jumped again. Boing! And he landed on the roof of the house. He jumped back down to the ground. Excited, Ethan leaped across the yard. Each splash sent him higher and higher. But then, oh no, he bounced too high and got stuck in a tree. His grandpa laughed. "Looks like you need a little help." His grandpa held out an umbrella. Ethan held on and floated gently down to the ground. From that day on, the boots stayed in the attic. Except on extra rainy days when a little magic was needed.